It was just a really cool place to live. It's quiet. I think the woods help give you a sense of privacy that is hard to find in Northern Virginia.
Welcome to 8494 Summer Breeze Lane in Springfield. As they say in the day, don't turn the channel. Stick with me for the next 50 seconds and let's take a look at the house.
We lived 33 years in this beautiful home.
Living here all those years was just the joy and the simplicity of how we lived. We just enjoyed being outside. We enjoyed each other's company. It was where everyone wanted to hang out. We would all congregate around that fireplace.
It's just such a beautiful neighborhood. There is a walkway in the back that it goes like 2 miles.
Whoever gets to live in this house, I just hope that they also make it a place of gathering of friends and family, and that they too can make new memories.
Man, it's hot here, and it's not just the temps. There's one property that's for sale in a 5-mile radius of this address. That's this property. That's a true 3-bedroom, 3 full bath property. If you're interested, you'd like some more information, go to 8494summer.com.
Got to come home as an adult in my 30s, even a proposal on that porch. Good memories.
Yeah.